Okay, for your activity today, you are going to answer two questions. So the first one says the table shows the heights of 4 mountains. You have this table. On this side are the mountains, and on this side are the height in feet. So Blackburn Mountain is 16,390 feet. Bear Mountain is 14,831 feet. Bona Mountain is 16,550 feet. Sanford Mountain is 16,237 feet. The question is, which lists the mountains in order from shortest to tallest? So just as we just did in the video, you are going to use each of these mountains and their heights. You're going to write it in expanded form. From there, you're going to compare them, and then you're going to put them in order from shortest to tallest. After you've done that, you are going to look to see which answer choices matches your work. The next question is showing us a table, and the table has restaurants and the number of hamburgers sold. At BurgerTown, they sold 94,251 hamburgers. Grilled Goods sold 94,399 hamburgers. Burger Barn sold 85,092 hamburgers. Patty Palace sold 89,481 hamburgers. The question says, which shows the restaurants in order from greatest number of hamburgers sold to least number of hamburgers sold. So again, we have all of our restaurants with how many burgers they sold. We're going to write it in expanded form. And then just as the question asks us to do, we're going to put them in order from greatest to least here. Then we're going to match that same exact order with whichever answer choice we find that is correct. When you are completely finished, turn it into Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later. Bye.